How to update to iOS 18, now official and free. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can update to iOS 18, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now if you want to update to iOS 18, if you have not yet signed up as a developer or a beta user, you first have to do that. So you have to first of all open up your Safari browser and just go to beta.apple.com. When you go to beta.apple.com, here you can see coming soon public release for iOS 18. Right here you can see the option called sign up. So all you have to do is tap on the sign up link over here, and as soon as you've done that, what you want to do from here is verify with your Apple ID. And after you've verified with your Apple ID here like this, let it just load up a little bit. So right here you want to scroll down a bit further below, and here under get started you can see a link that says enroll your iOS device. So all you have to do is tap on the enroll your iOS device option. As soon as you've done that, you have successfully enrolled for iOS beta. Now one more step, you can tap on open beta updates option from here, and as soon as you've done that, you'll see all the available betas. Now the iOS 18 beta might not show up instantly if you're using older models like me, but if you're using the 15 series, then the 18 beta could also show up. You might just want to be patient and wait. So that's all it takes to update to iOS 18. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you.